The air. Air is a mixture of gases. The most common gas in air is nitrogen. Air is about 78% nitrogen. The second most common gas in air is oxygen. Air is about 21% oxygen. The other 1% is composed of dozens of other gases with a bunch of tiny solids floating around. Air is a complex mixture. Another way to look at air is a solution. Think of air as a bunch of gas particles dissolved in nitrogen. The most concentrated gas dissolved in nitrogen is oxygen. All other gases are part of the solution, but they are represented in low concentrations. Nitrogen 78%, oxygen 21%, all other gases 1%. Air is mostly made of nitrogen and oxygen. Air is mostly oxygen dissolved in nitrogen with an occasional particle of another gas. Two other gases in air. You might know the names of a couple of the other important gases dissolved in the nitrogen: water vapor and carbon dioxide. When water evaporates, where does it go? It becomes part of the air. Individual water particles change into gas and dissolve in the air. On a warm, humid day, the concentration of water vapor in the air might reach 4%. Even so, we never see it. Water in the gas state is invisible. We don't see water vapor until it cools and condenses. Condensed water vapor is liquid. The tiny liquid water droplets form visible clouds. We recognize these processes of water entering the air as evaporation and leaving the air as condensation. As part of the water cycle, water vapor condenses in the air to form clouds. Fuel is a source of energy. When fuels like wood, coal, grass, and peanut butter sandwiches are burned, waste gases are released into the air. One of the most concentrated of them is CO2. The concentration is low, about 0.4 hundredths %, but it is significant. Carbon dioxide comes from the forest fire smoke, car exhaust, and breath you exhale. Carbon dioxide in the air absorbs energy from the sunlight. Scientists are concerned about the concentration of CO2 in the air. Rising CO2 concentrations leads to the rising temperatures worldwide. That was our read aloud for the air, what we breathe every single day. So now go ahead and work on your task.